Tonight, we're learning more about arrests that resulted from a bust at a car club meet last weekend. 22 people were arrested during a multi-agency effort to crack down on illegal activity at the event in Northeast Austin. That includes 2 juveniles who have since been been released to family members. Misdemeanor arrests were made for reckless driving, deadly conduct, unlawful carrying of a weapon, and possession of marijuana. One person was arrested for an outstanding felony warrant. Another person was charged with felon in possession of a firearm. Austin police say they seized 7 guns as part of the operation. 2 of them are confirmed stolen.